Hello everyone, I'm Young Forest. Welcome to my channel. This is a series about technical interview mock using English. Today, in this episode, we will solve the daily problem in LeetCode. Let's start. Here, it's a medium problem, so I think we should solve this within 20 minutes, even in a real interview. It's a very the problem number is very small. It's 15, so it's you can think it is a typical problem. It's a three sum. Don't think too much. Just three sum. Okay. Let's read the description together. Given an integer array numbers, return all triples, such as is distinct and must not contain the duplicate. Okay, I think if the question asks us to return the answer that what contain duplicate triples, so we should use a set to remove the duplicate answers. And so how to find the triplet? The brute force solution is we use a 3 dips loop for I, J, K, and find our enumerate of the triplet and check that. So the time complexity is the n power of n and power n and 3. So the brute force is so with the constraints it's 3000, so this solution is definitely a bad solution. So we need to continue our optimization process. So I don't know you have did the have you done the two sum? So we just need to iterate the I and use 2-pointer solution to find the J and K. So in this situation, the time complexity is the square of I think this is the acceptable solution. And another solution, you can think out easily is we can calculate all the other pair of ij's, the sum of ij, and find the k. you can put a k in a hash map, so this solution is also the square of n, but the space complexity is O(n) because we need a hash map to record the k. So I think we should implement the best solution, which is the time complexity is the square of n. So let's write some pursuit code. The pin pointer of the algorithm is two pointers, and so let's start to write this, because with two pointers solution, we need to sort it first, and we need to fix the index I and make the two pointer. One is j is I plus 1, and the right pointer is k. The k is the last index. So let's define the size here, and I think I need a an answer here, and here we need to iterate the we need to move the two pointer, and because the target is the sum of the three number is 0, so the target of I and j is negative nums I. So let's start, and while j is less than k, it means that we still have the range. The range is still not empty to reduce. We need to reduce it until it's empty. So if the sum of j and k is less than target, so we need to increase the left pointer. Else, if it's big, we need to iterate. We need to decrease the right pointer, and here if it's equal, we need to add the answer, add the tuple to the answer. And we can increase j and decrease k. Yes, I think that's right. That's it. And because the return type is a vector, the vector of vector, and we got this, so we need to convert it to the return type. Let's name it to ret. It's present return, and for every tuple in ounce, we need to push back. So I think that's it. Let's run the code. Oops. We got a runtime error. The error information is heap buffer overflow. So I think there is some index error. Somewhere we access some bad index. So let's check that. Oops. Oh, here. Here it's there is I missed the condition. Here the answer is run. Oops. We say the answer is run. There is something wrong. I need to debug that. Output is or negative. I think it's 1 and 1. Let's print some work to help me debug that. I will print the I, J, K and their sum. JK and their value. Let's run it. First, we need to sort that. Here is this example, and sort that. First is negative. First I is here, and J is this. J is this, and K is this. is the sum is sum is 1, so no. So there is the I is I is the 1 and j is 2 and k is 5. So here we got this. It was inserted into it, and we get this. I think we at least should get the negative 1, negative 1 and 2, but here is this. I think here it's a stupid mistake. It's 1 0 1 2. So let's run the code again. Yes, the example is exact. So let's submit it. Yeah, I success. So the solution is very interesting because you need to some background or context about the two sum. With this background, you can think about the two-pointer solution, which got the time complexity the square of n, and the space complexity is constant. I did this problem a lot of times. You can see about more than 10 times, and I first did it about 3 years ago. You can see that I improve my algorithm through those 3 years, and I get a big improvement. So I think that's my absolute today. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.